Hello friends, welcome back and learn verbs in English Urdu with sentences starting from the alphabet S to W. So let's start our video with this first word, that is survive. Zinda rehna. He survived the plane crash. Swear. Kasam khana. Do you swear to tell the whole truth? Sweep. झाड़ू देना. I will sweep here. Swell. सूजन होना या फूलना. The lower portion of her leg swelled. Swim. तैरना. She swims well. Swing. झूलना. The lamp was swinging back and forth. Take. लेना. I took a walk. Talk. बातें करना. She talked a lot. Taste. जायका होना. The soup tastes salty. Teach. पढ़ाना. I will teach you how to swim. Tear. आंसू आना या फाड़ना. I tore the picture out of the album. Tell. बताना. I told him to come. Tend. रुझान होना या माइल होना. She tends to be late for school. Think. सोचना. I think that Mr. Usman is a good teacher. Throw. फेंकना. I threw away my old shoes. Tiptoe. पंजे पर चलना. Usman quietly tiptoed out of the room. Tolerate. बर्दाश्त करना. We do not tolerate smoking in the library. Translate. तर्जुमा करना. We translated the words into English. Try. कोशिश करना. We tried to confuse the enemy. Understand. समझना. I knew you would understand. Value. कदर करना. We value our customers. Vary. मुख्तलिफ होना. This case varies from previous case. Volunteer. रजाकार काम करना. They volunteer to teach introductory courses. Wait. इंतज़ार करना. I cannot wait to see you. Wake. उठना या जागना. I have to wake Usman. Walk. चलना. Do not try to walk before you can crawl. Want. चाहना. I want to watch TV. Warn. इंतबा करना या खबरदार करना. We have got to warn Usman. Wash. धोना. She washed her hands before dinner. वॉच देखना या निगरानी करना। आई वॉच्ड ए मूवी। वेव लहराना या हाथ हिलाना। शी वेव्ड हर हैंड टू मी। वियर पहनना। उस्मान वॉर ब्लैक पैंट्स। वीप रोना। शी wept over her child's death. वी वजन करना। दिस suitcase weighs 20 pounds. whip कोड़ा लगाना या चाबुक मारना। She whipped her horse. Win जीतना। I can win this time. Wish ख्वाहिश करना या आरज़ू करना। I wish to insert an advertisement in your newspaper. Wander आवारागर्दी करना या मटर गश्त करना। He wanders in the morning in our area. Wonder हैरत करना या ताज्जुब करना। I wonder you are the winner. Waste ज़ाया करना। They wasted an opportunity. Welcome खुश आमदीद करना या खैर मकदम करना। I personally wanted to welcome my teacher. Whirl तेजी से चक्कर खाना या घूमना। My washing machine does not whirl. Whisper सरगोशी करना या कानाफूसी करना। Her friend whispered me. Whistle सीटी बजाना। Did you whistle? Wink आँख से इशारा करना। She winked her eyes with fear. Wipe साफ करना। Can you please wipe the floor? Wobble डगमगाना या दिक्कत से चलना। The old cart wobbled down the street. Thanks for watching.